Customizing your Jeep is one of the many ownership perks. Focus is usually on the exterior, increasing its capabilities, allowing you to go wherever you want. Today, we're going to talk about 5 incredibly useful interior modifications that can be installed on many different Jeep Wrangler models. Welcome, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Our most utilized modification is our ARB storage system. The easy sliding, stay open, locking drawers hold our tools, first aid kit, and recovery gear. The drawer tops allow additional gear storage with tie-down hooks, and the ARB 47-quart refrigerator and slide fit nicely in this space. Our next item is used daily, the Vector Off-Road EDOC. Installation of this item is incredibly easy. Using a hex key, bolt the EDOC to both supplied poles and then secure the dock to the center dash bolt hole. We notched the center console rubber grip and restored it into the center dash. Ram mounts allow us to keep our accessory rocker panel switch, GPS, iPhones, and iPads all in easy reach. If you camp or cook, the Outback Adventure tailgater is a must-have. The table comes with 6 clips that are inserted into existing openings on the tailgate. Don't worry, the clips that come with the unit don't look beat up like ours, as we have had to remove the table several times for a few other installations, but it is always screwed back tightly and securely every time. We went a step further and trimmed the tailgate factory plastic piece that now covers the open wiring space, giving it a more finished look. This is another item that is very easy to install and can be done in approximately 30 minutes. Our Jeep did not come with an additional 12-volt power supply in the cargo area. Having power in the back allows us to charge our Jackery power source, other electronics, and inflate our air mattresses. Our last item is the rear glass dome light bar. This light bar provides ample light to work in the cargo area, cook at night, and the surrounding area. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors.